Hello, friend. I'm Mormo from mormozine.com, and today we're talking about where to buy the Back to Life program. And if you're ready to buy, just click the link in the description. It'll take you right to the sales page, and you can buy with no problems. Very easy. But real quick, let me give you my review. Back pain can be horrible to live with. Any single time you move or twist your trunk, you feel shards of pain stabbing through your spine. Every moment becomes difficult whether you're just trying to sit down or lie in bed to sleep. It's an unwelcome companion that follows you everywhere you go and doesn't give you a break. The unfortunate truth is that millions of people suffer from back pain. What's even worse is that most of them either resign themselves to their fate or resort to pain medication to mitigate the problem. Medication does not fix the problem, it only masks the pain. Most back pain is caused by weak back muscles. Once you strengthen them, the problem will go away on its own. But how do you do that? That's exactly what Back to Life answers, and it has become an online bestseller for the past couple of years, with thousands of copies sold and many satisfied customers. The product was created by Emily Lark, who used to suffer from back pain too. After lots of trial and error, she discovered what worked for her and wrote it down in this handy little guide for others going through the same problem. One of the reasons her book is so popular is because it's real world information that works. She's not a doctor spouting medical terminology, but an average person who just found out what worked for her. And it works for others too. Let's see why Back to Life is so popular. The good points. If you're suffering from sciatica, you'll find a lot of information in this guide to help you alleviate the pain. Emily had personal experience with this issue and understands how to treat it naturally. Unlike conventional medication, which only addresses the symptoms, Back to Life takes a holistic approach towards relieving back pain by getting to the root cause. When the muscles in your back are weak, your entire body has to compensate by taking up the slack. As a result, you end up with muscular imbalances and chronic pain. You could try using heat rubs and other topical creams to mask the pain, but it'll never disappear. In Back to Life, you'll discover what back pain exercises you need to do to strengthen your back and end the pain once and for all by remedying the actual cause of the problem. Back to Life comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Your investment is safe. If you see no improvement in 2 months, you can always ask for a refund. That's excellent because there's no risk for you. This is a highly flexible program that can be modified depending on your back problem. Emily understands that individuals are different, so this is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Back to Life is a holistic, all-natural program. You won't need to consume medication or get steroid injections or resort to other invasive procedures. It's safe and highly effective. When you purchase this program, you'll also get access to Emily's online consultation. If you have any questions, you can always email her for clarification. So you'll not be left stranded after purchasing the product. Ideally, it's best to speak to your doctor too and let him or her know what you're doing with Back to Life. The exercises in this program only require you to spend about 10 to 15 minutes a day on them. You're not building huge biceps or pectorals. You're just strengthening your back, and it really won't take up much of your time. This is perfect for busy people. Besides the main program, you'll also get 2 bonuses absolutely free. These are the bonuses. Back to Life Yoga, and Back to Life Guided Meditation. Both bonuses are perfect for getting your body and mind in shape. Yoga is extremely beneficial to one's body, and the guided meditation will help you to calm your mind and increase your concentration. The bad points. No problem is perfect for everyone, and this one is no different. The efficiency of this product is also dependent on the severity of the condition. For someone suffering from osteoarthritis or other degenerative health problems, Back to Life might not be enough. They'll require professional medical treatment or even surgery. Back to Life works, but you'll need to be consistent. 10 to 15 minutes a day is not much, but very often people get complacent and skip a day or two. This is a mistake. You must be consistent for at least 4 to 6 weeks until your back gets stronger and you start feeling the results. This product is only available online. You'll need a credit card to purchase it. Should you get it, anyone who is suffering from back pain will know how debilitating it can be. Your entire life is held hostage to the pain, and you just can't live a full life. If you're tired of letting back pain rule your life, Emily Lark's Back to Life is your answer. It's simple, effective, and very affordable. Since Emily went through the same problems and had to cope with the back pain, she has an innate understanding of the problem and what needs to be done to fix it. Back to Life works. You're in safe hands here. If you put your faith in the method here and apply it consistently, in about 6 weeks from now, your back pain will be a thing of the past. Do give it a try and get rid of back pain once and for all. And so go ahead and click the link in the description to purchase the Back to Life program. And thanks so much.